It is absolutely cold today. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but like the sun is barely shining. It looks like it's gonna rain soon. It's completely overcast. I'm even in a nice warm little jacket. Okay, so in today's video, basically I've designed some new clips. Designed the clips, tested the clips, broke like 100 of them because I wanna make the tolerance just so darn tight. To give you guys an idea, I'll place them right over here. So these are the clips. Let me actually just show you one at a time. So this is how the clip looks like. So there's a lot of more detail that actually goes into it. The design on the inside, they are not just smooth on the inside. Let's see, here's the one that's a little bit more smoother on the inside. So basically, I designed these clips because I'm trying to diagnose my boost leak. So this pipe I'm going to show you guys is from the PCV. So basically what happens is from the PCV, the pipe going all the way to your intake manifold, it's got this horrible kind of clip. Like you gotta like squish it. I'll show you guys a video of it just now. So you gotta basically like squish it. It opens up and you can pull it out. So those clips are horrible. Sorry guys, a little bit of wind out here. So those clips are just horrible. They always break. If you have ever been working on your car, taking it off once, you might actually break it. So I designed clips that can actually hold it better in place. So to give you an idea, those clips maybe hold down in 360 degrees. It's only clipped on two sides, small pieces. So maybe on best scenario, it holds like 80 degrees of the 360 degrees. And then obviously once again looking at these ones, they probably hold like 270 degrees compared to the 80 degrees. So they hold it much better, they're much tighter, and obviously it's much more functional. So anyway, I'm gonna quickly show you guys the pipe it goes onto. Alright, so this is the engine bay. The car is a little bit on stands though, so it's a little bit higher than usual. Anyway, so here is our PCV intake manifold, and it's this pipe right over here. So let me quickly turn on the flashlight. So you guys see this clip over here, basically how it works. You can even see like the what do you call, like the oil that's been breathing on it, like literally. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's dirty now. So it's like giving a small residue of oil coming out, doesn't hold in properly. So the clips that I talked about is basically you press it here and you press it on the other side, so you squish it and then it basically opens up and it lets go. So this clip is, as you can see, very thin. So let's say maybe even if it's 40 degrees of holding it down is like 80 degrees, or even we can be generous and say 120 degrees, where this one, holds it much better. So to give you an idea, if you also look here, this part which is running flat over here, this part is basically where it holds it, and you're on the other side. So it only holds it like literally at this part, and that is about it. Okay, sorry, just focus on the wrong spot. So we can actually turn the flashlight off again. Okay, so this is the pipe. So basically, I'm going to show you guys a video of how I clean it up. So let me also pull it out over here. There we go. So basically, I'll clean it up. It's nice and round. As you guys can see, even this side as well, nice and round. So basically, we're just going to take this one, plug it in this side. We're gonna take our clip, so I'm just gonna make sure this is the right clip. So this clip is the clip that comes over here. Just wanna make sure, yeah. So there we go. And it's in. Like, just look at it fit, like you can barely turn it. Like, you can turn it a little bit there. So, like, I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, it's super tight. What a great fit. Even if you wiggle it, like, very, very little play. I'm super happy with that. And then the other clip, I just gotta have a look quick. It's this way around. Just gonna make sure it's in. We're gonna go over here, clip it in. There we go. So perfect. Like, it's like holding it. Like, I'm super happy holding it in place. So it's a very kind of stupid, small modification, but it helps a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link. If you have a 3D printer or you want to 3D print these, I'll have a link. Then you guys can actually go into it, go check it out in the description. You can actually go maybe and buy the design, so you can have someone 3D print it for you. And then voila, you can also have this much more stable version of holding this pipe down to avoid those irritatable boost leaks. So it's not so much as a long video or a great video, whatever the case is. A lot of effort went into designing it. It took me like, not even kidding, if I had to do it repeatedly, it would have taken me about 2 days. I could have imagined, obviously, the designing part, the measuring part, the reprinting. I broke like 100 of them because that mouth that's basically open, like I made it too small. So every time it's too small, as soon as you put it over that stretch of it opening, always used to break it. I couldn't find out what the reason was until I opened the mouth a little bit more and it stopped breaking. So I'm super happy about that. Otherwise, that is sorted, that's ticked. So now for my boost leak problem, I'm actually kind of making like a smoke tester kit where I can actually like take an intake, they call it the intake plug. So there's a plug that you put in your intake, you tighten it like it's your air filter box. What you do then is you actually hook up a pipe to it, like a dump pipe, and you feed smoke through it, and then you can see basically in your boost system where the pipe is, where the smoke is leaking. Anyway guys, we're gonna drop this video right over here. Do hope it helped you out. I hope you guys think it's cool, and hopefully this might also resolve your problem if the clip is broken, so you don't have to go out and buy a brand new pipe. You can get this permanent fix, which is just easy clips on. A bit difficult to take off though, but doesn't matter. As long as it's holding, it's perfectly fine.